Yo, so today I'm gonna be explaining how to install these exact LED lights that I bought from AliExpress. They're around 70 bucks. This right here was shipping. Alright, they're the exact same one. So the ones I'm installing right now are just LED lights without the symphony mode. If you want the one that goes across like it's chasing the light, that's gonna be a different one that you're gonna want to get. So before starting the install, I recommend you buy these fuse tabs from Amazon. Okay, so these are your main control boxes here. You're gonna go ahead and get your main controller. All right, make sure it's the main controller, and then grab a power harness cable. All right, guys. So we're gonna tap the fuse. Okay. Which I already did, as you can see. All right, we're just gonna tap into there. Boom. Okay. After that, you're gonna ground it. I use that little bolt right there and just grounded the black wire to it. It works perfect. Okay. This is my main control box. So after you get that done, we're gonna go to the driver strip. Okay. I'll show you on screen right now which one you need to get. It's gonna be the small one. Mine's right in here. That's my driver strip. You're just gonna run it down. Try to find a way to run it down there. Okay. Then we're just gonna do passenger strips. Okay. My passenger strip right there. You can see in the beginning video shot. Yeah, I know I'm not showing you guys me doing it because I already did it, so this is the best I could do. All right. It's really easy. You're just gonna find a way to push it in there really good. Okay. So we got our foot LEDs as well. Self-explanatory. You'll see. It's gonna be the long cable I'll show you right here on the screen. This is the harness for the footlights. This connects to the motherboard. We got two short wires. One for the driver bottom, and then the passenger bottom. And then the longer ones are for the backs. The back two ones. Okay. Real easy. Just fish them through, connect them. These are the footlights. It comes with double-sided tape. Okay, so I'm about to do that right now. Okay, this is my switch right here. Have it double-sided taped to the back side of this little plate that goes right here. Okay, so now it is time to hit the doors. You're gonna want to go to YouTube and look up how to remove your door, whichever car you're driving. All right, guys. So once you guys have the door removed, you're gonna have to figure out where you're gonna insert the LED light strip. Okay. I'm gonna put mine in this little groove right here. But yeah, you just try to figure it out. Every door is different. Every car is different. I'm letting you guys know what I did. Okay. I could have put it down here, up there. We got right here the cup light. Okay. And the door bowl light right here. So it came with a drill bit. I don't know what size that is, guys. I'm sorry. But we're gonna clean it really good with alcohol right in here and in here. For then because it's got double-sided tape, you just put that in. Boop. Once you make the hole, and then just plug that in. Okay. Same on this side. You're just gonna put a little double-sided tape right there on the bottom for it to stay in place. So we got to make sure the surface is nice and clean, all right? So you're going to pick your spot where you want them and make a little hole with the drill bit, okay? Yeah, so this is me doing the door panel right here. I just want to say that you're gonna have to go ahead and clean out the areas with alcohol, okay? Because we're gonna be sticking shit. So we need a good surface to stick on. All right. So clean everything really good. I'm gonna make a little hole wherever you want the light. I'm making a hole right here. But yeah, sorry guys, fucking hard getting the right angles when you don't have a cameraman, when you don't have thousands of dollars to pay a cameraman. But yeah, man, I hope that I helped out some way or another. And if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. Yeah, whatever that does, just fucking subscribe. You know, get
Watching on YouTube.
you get notifications on when my next video comes out.
Cursing.
Sorry, guys. I don't know. Well, we gotta stop recording. All right, so bye, guys, and have a good one.